Guys, on this video I'm going to show you if your TikTok is having any shadow ban, or if you want to call that any violation on TikTok on your particular videos that you are uploading. Here is actually how to check that. Open the TikTok application, wait for it to open, click on the profile area, and once that is open, you click on the menu icon. Now click on the menu icon and then you click on TikTok Studio. Now wait for that to load up. That might take a while depending on your internet. Once that has loaded up, scroll down a little bit or scroll down to the bottom area, and then you are going to notice where it says account check. Now you click on account check. This is going to load up and start scanning all your videos and posts, and then it's going to show you if you have any violation. And you can notice I have 4 post restriction, so I can click on that and see what post restriction I have. These are the post restriction. I can click on them individually and appeal. So I already did this. So once you are going to notice an appeal on the top right hand area, just this area where I highlighted, you click on that appeal and you appeal it. So this is actually done to help your video to get recommended. If not, your videos are not going to be recommended by the TikTok algorithm. So the TikTok algorithm is going to think that you are not a human, you are just downloading other people's video and re-uploading. So you do that, and then you make sure your account doesn't have this restriction like I do on mine, this orange restriction right here. So if you have any red restriction or maybe any other serious case, this is also where you can find it. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.